since we've repaired that machine and everything, I've had to invest another $500,000 shillings, and we've put a 15 kilowatt, 15 kVA rather, UPS, just to protect that machine. And if we go to the plant, you will see we've got UPSs everywhere. That is now an additional cost to the company we can do without. I don't think it's necessary if the quality of the supply is good. And if we get away from those little costs that we don't need to incur, then we can expand faster. So that's basically where we are. And I know strides are being made to improve the quality. I'm also very grateful for the last 6 months of 2016. The quality of power supply was so good that even I wrote congratulatory messages to Mahaga and his team on the ground, who really, in terms of customer service, I must say, it is excellent. So refinery itself is down. Other areas of the filling and the packing machines are all running as we speak from what we have in the tanks. But the main plant that supplies the raw material for the packing side is down as we speak.
I want to thank Dr. Tarus and his team, because by interacting with industry, they're able to understand deeply what our problem is, diagnose the problems correctly, and come up with solutions. So that's the input of these engagements that we are having. We did receive the concerns from our members in the coast region that there were a lot of interruptions, there were dips, and these concerns reached Nairobi at the board level. And out of that, we informed Kenya Power through the MD, Dr. Tarus, and the team on the ground has been working on this over the years, and we just wanted to see what more can we do to ensure that Mombasa is stable. We know that the line that is coming from Olkaria will be one of the long-term solutions to the challenges that we are facing. And with the legal case resolved, we look forward to having that line so that we address those challenges.
We are basically here to check on the milestones that have been achieved after we gave our promises. And judging from what we've seen yesterday and today, we think, and I'm happy that this is being confirmed by the industrialists around here, that we have done some good work. Of course, there is still room for improvement, and we have picked up those bits and pieces, and we are committed towards ensuring we deliver on our promise. The thing I want to promise the industrialists around this region, Pwani Oil included, is that we want to see a situation where your supply will eventually be a supply that you desire, so that going forward then you meet your intentions by way of production. We get away from these issues of supply that is erratic. We move away from situations where you get power that has pips and dips, and you get power that is consistent and reliable. We appreciate your contributions to the economy, and we are fully aware that we are one of those institutions that are supposed to give you an environment that is conducive for your operations. And so therefore we will not shy away from this. We are equal to the task, and we will ensure that we give you what you desire. I just spoke about a substation that we will do around this area, and I think that eventually once it's done, will then give you the best supply, in the sense that it will be very close to your operations, and it will also provide us with an alternative, what the engineers would call an N-1, so that in situations where one line is down, then we should be able to give you supply from another line.